So you guys want to stay young, right? You don't want to like let's say look like you and you're like 60, like you look like you're 60 and you like in your 22 and you look like you 45, but you don't want to be like that. So you want to be young, right? All right. The first thing you gotta do is you gotta eat right. You gotta watch your you gotta watch your diet. Eat try to eat like not a lot of fast food. Don't eat a lot of fast food. Like McDonald's. A lot of hamburger and stuff like that. Ice cream, especially sugar. You gotta stay away from sugar, cause eating a lot of sugar kind of mess you up. And they say that I did some research on it. They say that eating a lot of sugar is just like not good for you. It's not good for your skin. It give you a lot of wrinkles and stuff too, like a lot of bags. You give you a lot of bags underneath your eyes. Try to stay away from sugar. Just stay away from it, okay? So, and get a lot of sleep. Yeah, just get a lot of sleep too, because try to get at least 8 hours sleep, because I know a lot of y'all like, try to sleep early, but you can like me. I mean, I got kind of like used to it. I'm not used to sleeping like 8, 9, but just give it a shot. Take some sleeping pill, but try not to sleep too late, like midnight, 1. It's kind of hard to fall asleep that time, but once you get used to it, y'all get used to sleeping like 8 or 9, then y'all good to go. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta get used to it. Give it like a week or two. Get used to it, man. I'm used to it. I'm gonna try to sleep early. I can't really sleep early because I'm a late night. Like I'll be sleeping like midnight. I can't fall asleep that early. But then let me just give it a shot. Try to sleep at 8 or 9. So just turn off all your phone. Turn TV off. Turn the lights. Just say turn everything off. Like people try to text you, and just have your phone on vibrator on silent mode. Just have your phone. Just shut your phone off. Stay away from your phone, because a lot of people when they sleep, they be on their phone all night. They be on their phone like an hour, 2 hours on their phone before sleep. So just get off your phone. Try to do that, okay? And let me see, drink a lot of water. Stay away from soda, because soda is sugar too. There's a lot of sugar in that soda. Stay away from soda, stay away from juice, whatever has sugar in there. Just stay away. Just drink nothing but water. Water is good for you. It tastes good. I mean, it had no taste to it, but it tastes good though. Keep drinking water, like, at least 4 glass of water, 5 glass of water a day. It helps your skin. It makes your skin look nice. So, I mean, look at your boy right here. Come on now. How old you think I look? I know I might look a little old, kind of messed up, because I can't stay away from sugar. I'm trying to stay away from sugar, but it's kind of hard though. But I'm gonna keep telling myself, keep forcing myself not to eat sugar. I'm not gonna eat no sugar. I'm okay. All right, I'm gonna stop eating sugar. Next thing you know, I'll go to the store, supermarket, I end up buying some sweet, candy and stuff like that. Cause I have kids though, and they eat a lot of snack. They eat a lot of snack, especially my 5, 6-year-old son. Eat a lot. So every night he'd be like, "Hey, Dad, go to the supermarket, buy some snack." I'm like, "Oh man, come on." Then I end up buying for him. Then I end up getting something for myself, because I can't. It look too good. I can't fight temptation. I just can't fight it though. But yeah. So and let me see. Exercise. Try to exercise. Try to head to the gym at least twice a week. If you can't afford it, if you can't afford going to the gym, just work out at home. Just do some push up at home. Sit up, at least some push up, at least 20 push up, at least, right? 20 push up, 20 sit up, some jumping jack. Just try work your body. Move, just take a walk. Exercise. Keep your body, keep your blood flowing. Right. So don't be like one of those people that just sit on the couch all day and just don't do anything. Just sit there with the TV and the remote and just looking through movies, through Netflix and all that. Don't be one of those. That's how you become lazy. You keep doing that, you're gonna become lazy. You're gonna be a bump. So Yeah, so and you know, try to stay away from the sun because sometimes you want to stay young and look young, you know. Stay away from the sun because sometimes if you go out, it's a hot day, just put some, you know, some sunscreen, you know, something to protect you from the sun. So, you know, from the UA, I mean, not UA, I mean the UV ray. Yeah. So and have a positive mindset, you know. So you want to look young, you can't be feeling stressed out, you know, because that's gonna leave a lot of damage, you know, to your body. So you can't really, you know, can't stress yourself out, you know. Always got a positive mindset. So yeah, just have a positive attitude, you know. You know, enjoy life, you know, go out there and enjoy life. Laugh, go to the movie with your family, you know, hang out, party, just have fun, you know. Just go out there and have fun. Let's just enjoy life, and let me see. Then that's about it. If you want to stay young, all you gotta do. All you gotta do is watch your diet, exercise, sleep at least 8 hours sleep. Drink a lot of water. All right, drink a lot of water. You know, control your stress. You know, don't stress out too much. You know, enjoy your life, positive mindset, and stay away from the sun. Stay away from that UV ray. That's it. If you want to stay young, that's all you gotta do. And that's it, you know. That's all I could say. If you want to look young, you don't want to look like you're in your 20. Like I say, you know, you be in your 20 and you look like you're 45. A lot of people out there, ain't gonna lie, a lot of people out there, they look older than than the age, you know. I be like, I look at, when I pick up my stepson, he's in high school. All them kids in high school, they all look like babies. Like they look like 10 or 12 years old. But back in my time, well, back in high school, back in my time, they look old. They look 16. They 16, 17, but they look like they over 21. Like, man, yeah, take care of yourself, you know. You just got to take care of yourself. It's on your diet. And you have to exercise and just your mindset. That's it. You know, you want to keep young, look young. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, take care of your diet, exercise, sleep, drink a lot of water. Yeah, control your stress and have a positive mindset. That's all you gotta do. You do that for at least a couple of months. I guarantee you, your life gonna change. You're gonna start looking young. You're gonna feel young. You're gonna feel good by yourself. Yeah, you just gotta keep doing it. Yeah, it's on your head, you know. All right. All right. So that's it for now, man. Your boy out. Peace.